Imagine doing something very easy where you'll earn money. Just like watching videos, you can do this while you're laying in bed, doing some chores, or whatever it is that you are doing. And just like that, you can earn up to $4 in less than 30 seconds. How great is that? In this video, I will also be showing you how you can earn $200 to $400 just by watching videos like this. So make sure not to skip any part. In this method, thousands of people all over the world have already cashed out. You can be the next one. Now just that, I will be also showing you actual samples of proofs on how to get started. So make sure not to skip any part of this video so you won't miss out on the important details. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. This is Twitch, a streaming website. There are tons of videos and channels which you can watch for absolutely free. Most of the videos on this website are actually gaming videos, and there are a lot of gamers who stream their videos here. So I'll be teaching you how you can earn money by watching these videos. Right now, I need you to go ahead and click on this browse button right here. Then you'll land on this page where you can see a whole lot of categories and genres of videos. Now I want you to focus on this category right here, Valorant. Valorant is one of the most popular FPS games right now, and the players are growing every single day. So let's choose this. Click on this category and that will lead us to this page right here. Then I want you to click on this videos button right here. As you can see, Valorant now has over 11 million followers, and that will be growing since it's already popular. A lot of people are actually interested in Valorant now. If we scroll down, we can find more videos in this game. You can actually watch all of this for free. Now let's move on to the next step. I want you to go on to Oki.io. This website is really important because we will be using this website today as we watch simple videos like this, where we will be able to make a lot of money online. Don't fret, this is going to be very easy and I'll teach you all of these steps. So okay, the first thing that you need to do on this website is to create or sign up for an account. Then you'll be able to shorten a long link. So let's go back to Twitch and let's click this video right here. I need you to click on the share button just below the video so you can see the video URL. Then I need you to highlight that link and copy it. Then the next thing that you have to do is to go back to Oki.io and paste the Twitch video URL right here. Then click on this button right here in order to shorten it. So this is what really happens whenever people click on your shortened link. This one right here, you'll earn money per click as long as people click on your link. You'll be making money over and over again. Talking about clicks, the amount of earnings will depend on the location of the people clicking it. You'll be earning different payout rates from different places. Let's say people from Germany click on your link. You'll be able to earn $4 per click. If people from the USA click on your link, you can earn $4.10. Take a look at this. Now you can see the rates are different depending on the country. This is the strategy people are doing in order to make money online. Now let's take a look at the number of people who have registered in Oki.io. There are over 580,000 people registered right here, and it will reach 600,000 in no time. The website also offers different payout methods for you. As you can see, they have PayPal, Payza, Skrill, With Money, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Now what I want you to do is to register for a free account. So let's go back to the homepage. click on the sign up button on the upper right hand corner of your screen. Then you'll land on this page where you can sign up as a new member. Again, this is totally free. You don't need to invest any money into this. You need to put in your username, your email address, and your password. Confirm it right here and click on I'm not a robot. After all, click on submit. Very easy, right? Anyone can just do this. So now that you've logged in into your new account, this is what you'll be seeing. Here on statistics, you can see how many people are actually clicking on your link, including your total earnings. Since this is a brand new account and we have been shortened any link yet, this is how it will look. So make sure to keep watching so you won't miss out on important details. Let's go back to the first video, and again, I need you to copy the video URL. Once you're done copying it, like so, let's go back to our Oki.io dashboard right here. And then you need to paste the link just right here. Then click on shorten now and let's copy this. And I'll be giving you a template of this message right here. Basically, I'll be giving a brief introduction about Valorant and I'll be adding this line right here. For more Valorant videos, click the link below to watch now. And by doing that, whenever people click on your link, you'll earn money. So whenever people click on your link, and depending on which country they come from, you'll earn a different amount of money. If people from Canada click on your link, you earn $3.05. If people from the Philippines click on your link, you'll earn $1.05. So that really depends. There's just so many opportunities waiting for you on this website. You can see this is a great place where you can paste the template that I created for you. Then whenever you get a click, you simply earn. And as always, I give out additional bonus tip at the end of the video for you to earn money. I want you to go to this forum right here. It's forums.pcgamer.com. This is a very popular gaming forum where people all over the world talk about different games, including Valorant. The reason why I love this forum so much is because this website is absolutely free and available worldwide. As you can see, under PC gaming discussions in general gaming, there are over 33,000 messages and over 900 threads. Let's click on this right here. And you'll land on this page where you can find different posts. And there are a lot of people writing short and simple posts on this forum, and they are getting a lot of views. That's basically all you have to do. This is a very easy and beginner friendly, right? You can now make money online starting today. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.